I've got my Boxycharm by Ipsy for the month of May. So if you want to see what's inside, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. My little buddy Bandit is hanging out with me and Chloe's at home. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I have an account for my daughter, who is 13, and an account for me. I get the Glam Bag icon. So on her account, quarterly, I'm going to get the Boxycharm by Ipsy, because that's what it is now, from her account. So her account is based upon her age. I'm going to tell you, I have never gotten a box like this from Ipsy. Okay, but we're going to move into it. With the merger, the Glam Bag Plus is gone and it's become Boxycharm by Ipsy. There's no bag, and they said they're going to get rid of the bag in order to bring more high-end products, because I guess that cheap bag they gave us was somehow inhibiting them from getting us more high-end products. I'm not really sure. Okay. Now, with Ipsy, there are no surprises. You can go on and see what's in your box. They don't give you a card. The card that came in here is just about the actual theme, which is Let Yourself Bloom. And then inside, it's got some SPF facts and myths. And on the back, it talks about summer vacay. I don't know. I'm not gonna read that. We're gonna get right into it. So with this, you get to choose 3 items. They choose 3 items that they think you'll like based upon your profile. Now, I had opened this account to get my daughter that little mini glam bag so we could do like mother-daughter battles. And then when I saw the spoilers, I was like, do I get the icon? Do I get this? And I was like, you know what? I can get both. So that's why I did this. There was this LYS palette that I thought was fantastic, and this iconic London palette. This is their Beachside Babe palette, and it's valued at $40 with tropical vacation inspiration colors, it says. This is a British brand. They are 100% vegan and cruelty-free as a brand. And there are the colors. So I'm not going to swatch all. I'm just going to swatch some of these gorgeous shimmers. I'm going to swatch the Blue Lagoon and Golden Hour and Vacay Glow and Rundown. All right, so I'm just watching those. Gorgeousness right there. Gorgeousness. And I have told you guys, like, I am not a person who enjoys a palette that's just all kind of browns, right? But when you throw these pops of colors in and these shimmers, like this one and this one, with these more neutral colors, I think that that really brings it out and makes it more interesting and more something I like to play with. Their second choice for this box was the Violet Voss Whispering Rosé Blush Palette, and it has some very lovely blushes in there. I have never tried a Violet Voss blush palette, so I'm pretty excited about this. Now for the choice items. First of all, I have never, in my career with Ipsy, I think, had them choose a palette and give me the choice of another palette that I don't own. I got the Fenty, whoops, that's upside down, the Fenty Bomb Posse Mega Mix and Match Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, the Violet Voss blush is valued at $43. This is valued at $48, and it's supposed to have their gloss bomb colors. So there are the colors. There's a couple of pretty pinks in there. Overall, a neutral palette. I've never tried this eyeshadow, so I'm excited to try that. My next choice item is by Aveda, and this is their Pure Abundance Style Prep Spray. This is for fine hair, and it's supposed to, when your hair is damp, you're going to spray it on, and then you're going to style it, and you're going to get some oomph and some volume, it says. So it does say in between washes, you can spray it on dry hair and then style as desired. I will keep you all updated and give you a review of this. Then the last item is the Yensa Wake and Shine Balm. And I did pre-open this box because I didn't know what it was at first. Came so early for like the choices on the 2nd, and it came in over the weekend. And I'm filming this on the 9th, so it came in over the weekend like so quick. This is what it looks like, and I did put it on already, so it is like a kind of a rose-colored balm. So just a nice light kind of color to it. This is a $19 value, and the color is Smoothie. So that is my Boxycharm by Ipsy for a young person's profile. So this is not my profile. This is not a 50+ profile. This is a teenage profile. I think that speaks a lot into the fact that I have 0 skincare in here and almost all makeup, 1 hair care item. I don't recall what, I screenshotted them. I don't recall what the choice items were. I don't even recall if there was much skincare offered. There might have been a toner or something like that. I just don't 100% recall, but I will have posted those up so you will have seen. But I think that's very telling about the type of profile and what you're going to get offered. So if you like skincare, you definitely want to have that older profile where they think women of a certain age are more concerned about skincare. If you really like makeup, you could use a younger profile. I would definitely go with something in the early 20s or I mean even teen, because as you can see, right, this was, I think, a fantastic box, one of the best boxes I've ever received, and it's not my profile. So it's my daughter's profile, and for the hair care item, I'm surprised because she does not have fine thin hair, so I was surprised that was even one of the offered items. But I'm happy, I'll take it because it's something I'll definitely like. So I definitely use a much younger profile if what you want is majority makeup. I always put in a mixture of both because I don't mind getting a little skincare and a little makeup all mixed and balanced. I just don't necessarily prefer one more than the other in these boxes because I get Test Tube Beauty, and that's a primarily skincare box, and it's all excellent high-end skincare and some of the newer things out there. So I don't necessarily mind that. I would have liked to gotten the Glow Recipe product that they had, or the LYS eyeshadow palette over the Fenty one, but I think it's still a great box. I think there were still some great choices, but let me know your thoughts. Is this the kind of box you would prefer to get from Ipsy? All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.